Oh man guys, what is going on today? The Creator here, back with another video, and we're gonna try something new today. This is my wife Lindsay, and what we're gonna do is I'm actually let her design my truck off of American Trucks.
I picked out the parts. He doesn't know what I picked out, so now I'm gonna build his truck.
I mean, she could be nice and, you know, do some.
Just wait until you see what I picked out.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay.
And I think it should be recording. Yep. So we got the screen recording on. So we finna go look at the first page.
This could go really bad or really well.
A leveling kit. You want me to put a leveling kit on here?
Why not?
All right. Well, let's go ahead and go in here. First of all, we gotta have to put that tint on there pretty dark, cause
that's too dark.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a little too dark. That right there. That's all right.
That's better.
All right. Parts, and see if it's on here. You know what? There it is.
Suspension.
Yeah, suspension. So how high is it? Is it 2.5 inch? I don't know how I feel about that. I don't like high trucks.
Don't
like high
knock
trucks.
it till you try it.
Okay. Well, that's one thing.
This is my build.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
The Barricade Bumper. Okay. $630. Expensive. I won't do it. I'm sorry. Oh, by the way, this is a platinum. The step above my truck. I don't have a platinum, but it's close enough. So, is that it's literally the first one that just pulls up. Is this one?
No.
Yeah, is it? Or is this one?
No. Keep going.
Is this one then? With the LED lights?
That one's more expensive. Just keep scrolling.
Pretty sure
go with
that's
that
it.
one.
Yeah, well, that's it right there.
You can't really.
You can't see it because it's black.
That's a little disappointing. I thought it was good. Okay.
Because I don't think we can do the exhaust on here, can we? By the way, if you're wondering what that noise is, it's my dog chewing on a bone. Yeah, he's having a field day right now. So we can't do the exhaust. So we'll just show you what type of exhaust she picked out.
I did either or, because it's going to depend on how you want it to sound.
So it's either the Roush or the Magnaflows.
Last time I checked, you said, go through the catalog and pick whatever you think would look good.
I know, I didn't say there was a budget on here.
Matter of fact, you said, no budget.
But she also picked black tips, of course. So we gotta do black tips on that, but we can't do it on here yet. A Roush cold air intake. This one? Mm-hmm. Okay. But we can't do it on that one because we can't pop the hood. But a Roush cold air intake, which we got a Rough Country on there, and that was just a cheap upgrade for right now. I do plan on putting a new intake on there. You put a tuner on here, so I can tune the car. You heard that? I can tune it. It can be faster now. See there?
Helps with gas mileage.
We can tune it, so it can be
for gas mileage.
Hold on. First of all, you picked that one for the EcoBoost and the Raptor.
I was just picking a tune.
Just remember that. That's what she said. Actually, you know what? I got it on video, so it's fine. We can tune it. That means she can't get mad. I thought you didn't like fender flares.
You can do that on here.
Yeah, I know. Here, you want to use the mouse or you want to use that?
I got it.
It's the Bushwhacker.
Such a weird name.
You don't want to pick them.
Dang, they don't have them on here. Okay, we'll just use those because those kind of do look like those.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can make it look like it.
I like that.
Okay, that's a little. I don't like it, but we haven't got to the wheels yet. I think it's because the wheels are kind of throwing me off right now.
I will say, you know what? Hold on. Let's go back. I want to take the level kit off.
No, you can't take it off right now.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can.
No, hold on. We gotta see what it looked like all the way until, yeah. parts. There you go. Alright, so the next one. The next one is the front bumper. It's the Barricade Front Bumper off-road. I like how I said I wanted a street look, and she's doing off-road everything.
No, I'm not.
It looks so weird. Here, you can drag and move it and stuff. Let's finish it out.
Okay, in my defense, picturing it in the catalog and seeing it, I would tweak it a little.
You would tweak it a little?
I would tweak it a little.
Okay.
Okay, but keep going, because I have a feeling that everything else is not going to look right either.
The next ones are tow mirrors. Why tow mirrors?
Well, you gotta tow.
I don't tow all the time, though. They don't have them. They really don't have tow mirrors on here. It's weird.
Okay.
So the closest one would be, but I already have those.
Yeah, so. I mean, to be honest, those really don't look much different.
Sure.
They just have the LED.
They're F250 focus. F250 tow mirrors. That's all it is. So we still got a good bit of the catalog left. So let's keep going. So we got some side emblems. I think you can do that on here.
But I don't think you'll be able to see them.
Vinyl decals.
Yes.
Okay. But yeah, you can. Just on here.
There you go. America.
I actually like that. That's kind of cool.
They actually don't look bad.
Mud flaps.
Can you do that on here?
I don't know.
Okay, so you cannot do mud flaps. Unfortunately, friends.
Well, I already got mud flaps on there.
You can't
Really?
do that one.
The 50 cal bullet antenna that every single F-150 and Chevy and truck has.
Do they?
Yes.
Never paid attention.
You can do them right there. Yeah. Look, bam.
I think that is classic.
I have a shorty antenna on there.
But do you have a bullet?
No, I don't have a bullet.
I mean, literally, you're all about cars. Can't say the other thing. But you know. Pew pew.
Like almost every single truck that's been modified has that.
Okay, but they're not D-Creator with the pew pew.
I guess, but still. You want that? You can't do that because that's not the inside. She wants to put the big old Tesla screen radio in there.
You're always talking about it.
I know, but I don't like the prices. But it's this one right here, the big, yeah, which would be a great upgrade inside the truck because the truck is old and it's kind of glitchy, but it'll be a nice upgrade. Just somebody would sponsor me for it and I could do it. What? So this is, we definitely can show what the lights look like on here. It's the headlights.
Headlights.
Yep. So it's the Raxium projector headlights with LED accent. The chrome housing. I gotta get the chrome housing. There they are. That's not the chrome housing. It's the one next to it. Yeah. Is it? No, it's this one. Keep changing it.
I didn't see those.
Yeah, they are.
No, they didn't have these in here. Some of the stuff that's on here they didn't have in here. Okay, I'm changing it officially.
No, it's right here. The black housing. You just missed it.
That's what I'm changing it to.
So you want those headlights?
Yep.
Okay, I like those headlights.
Yeah, I like those.
I just don't like the price. Everything's so expensive with this truck. Like everything.
Tail lights.
It's the Raxium G3 tail lights, which is that one. I don't like the platinum, the silver around it. But again, I don't have a platinum.
But they would look good on your truck.
Yeah, let's look around real quick. Let's see what this. I mean, I do like the black look. This is starting to look like a yeet yeet truck.
How dare you call this a yee truck?
Can we do a third brake light? Even though it kind of looked like that already.
I know, rude. No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can.
The only third brake light. And it's that one. Yeah. The smoked one. Which just makes it look black.
You can't really.
It's cool though. It's cool. What is this? Oh, the fog lights. Can you even do that with the bumper we have? That's a Raptor style. We don't have a Raptor bumper on here. You have to go back to the original bumper to do that.
Okay, well.
Well, this is for if you have a Raptor bumper. Which we can't do that because we don't have a Raptor bumper on here. You didn't pick any of the grills? No, those are just grill lights.
No, if you go back to the grills, they were in the front. But no, I didn't pick any of them. Actually, yeah, I did. Hold on.
Well, apparently, we completely missed the grills. It wasn't the bumper, so do you still want that bumper?
No, I wanted the grill.
Okay, so you want the grill, so do you want to take off that bumper?
Yeah.
Then why'd you pick it?
Because obviously I'm like pointing.
Apparently we're not smart when it comes to this book for some reason.
How do you go back?
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
So we back to the original grill.
Ew. Hold on. We cannot.
So I guess we picking the bumper.
Yeah, but that doesn't even look right.
Well, that's not even the grill that you picked. The closest one I would say is this one.
This one?
Yeah. I think that's the one you pretty much picked. It just doesn't have the words on it. It's either this one or this one. Or that one. Which completely removes the middle part.
Well, I wanted the middle part.
Are you saying that you just want it to look like it's a Ford Raptor?
Well, yeah, because we've had this conversation before. To be honest, with this bumper, I think this one looks better.
Good, because I like that grill. I don't like everything else, but we gotta finish it. So now, we at the wheels. Fuel milestones. Oh, milestars.
Now keep in mind, I picked out quite a few wheels.
Why'd you pick out so many wheels for one truck?
Keep flipping.
The closest one I've seen is this one. Let's look and see what the other wheels are. You picked those ugly wheels?
They're right there.
I know. Aaron got those wheels.
They're not ugly.
Everybody has those wheels. There's somebody in the neighborhood that has these wheels. No offense if you have these wheels on your truck, it's just everybody has them. And I can't do what everybody do. What?
I feel like you're critiquing me more than...
Well, I'm not critiquing you, it's just... Ugh.
How was I supposed to know? I don't look at other dudes' trucks.
How many times you seen Aaron?
I don't pay attention.
There we go. Which one we gonna get?
The one, number 4. Number 4, gloss.
I know, but you want the 20-inch or the 22-inch?
22.
Mm-hmm. There we go. What? What? You tell me it don't look good?
Sure it does. I picked it out. No, I don't think I picked you out any tires.
No, you didn't. That's it.
But if we're gonna do tires...
So that's the end of the catalog on the book. Now she's just gonna start doing stuff and working her magic. Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take this level.
That's factory. Yeah, you lowering it now.
Okay, I'm done.
You sure?
I'm sure.
So this is her truck that she picked out. Ugh, that bumper. Alright guys, so I had to change out the battery, or not the battery, the memory card. Yeah. But this is the final product of the truck.
I took that ugly bumper off.
It's just, I don't like the big bulky bumpers like that. I'm sorry.
I don't think it looks bad now.
I do like the front end. The only thing I would change is I would probably get wider wheels. But I mean, you can't do that on here. I'd get a more aggressive wheels, probably stick out to like maybe 2 more inches out. And I think these wheels are like, I'm gonna say they're probably a 10.5. I'll go with a 12. All right, so you're gonna write a check for this, so we can go ahead and do it. It's look like it's gonna be pretty expensive.
You done lost your mind.
Yeah, guys, if you like this, the way the truck is set up, comment down below. What would you change about it if you could? Would you drive this every day?
No.
No? Why?
All the gas it would drink.
It don't drink. It's not that bad. Alright, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Alright, guys. She's about to knock it over.
Raven. Come here, Ray Ray. Okay. Raven.
In case you're wondering, we have a zoo around here.
Would you chill? Chill out. Chill out. Nala, you gonna tell everybody bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Ow.
Alright, quit.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, whoa, sir, excuse me.
Come on. But if you guys want to modify your vehicle, whatever vehicle you have, go ahead and click right here in front of my face, this video. We'll see you guys in the next video, okay?
Peace out. Ugh, you always do this.